For this exercise, a modification to our program allows the value of the variable first item price and second item price to come from a prompt instruction. Unfortunately, the numbers aren't adding up properly now. Entering $5 for both prices returns a total of 55 instead of 10. In fact, prompt always returns a string no matter what we type into the input box. It seems like both inputs are strings. But don't worry, we can fix this by converting the strings into numbers using the number instruction. Take a look at this snippet of code. Here we have a variable with a string of the number 3. The console.log in the code outputs 13. If we use the number instruction like this, it'll convert the string 3 into the number 3 and then save the number into the variable myVariable. From there, the console.log will output the number 4. With this, we can use the prompt instruction to ask the user for a price. Before we try this in the code editor, there are 3 things to note. First, always write the number instruction with an uppercase N. Second, if we give an invalid string to the number instruction, like a letter for example, then the instruction will return NaN, which means not a number. Third, we must save the value returned by the number instruction in a variable, otherwise we'll lose it. Finally, we're ready to use the number instruction. In the code editor, replace the question mark with an instruction to convert second item price into a number. Once that's done, run your code and watch how the program works with your changes.